shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? A ghost train. Driver saw it last night. Where? Asked Thomas and Toby together. He didn't say, but it must have been on our line. He says ghost trains run as a warning to others. Oh, he went on, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it. Pooh, said Thomas. You're just a silly little engine, Percy. I'm not scared. Thomas didn't believe in your ghost, said Percy next morning. His driver laughed. Neither do I. It was a pretend ghost on television. Percy was disappointed. But he was too busy all day with his stone trucks to think about ghosts. He liked running at night. He coasted along without effort, the rails humming cheerfully under his wheels, and signal lights changing to green at his approach. He always knew just where he was, even in the dark. Rose Farm across, he chanted happily. We shan't be long now. Percy broke the castle and lines flew everywhere. They found no one at the crossing, so went on to the nearest signal box. Hello, said the signalman. What have you done to Percy? He's white all over. Percy's driver explained. I'll see to it, but you'd better clean Percy, or people will think he's a ghost. Percy chuckled. Do let's pretend I'm a ghost, and scare Thomas. That'll teach him to say I'm a silly little engine. On their way, they met Toby, who promised to help. oiled up for his evening train. When Toby hurried in saying, "Percy's had an accident." "Poor engine," said Thomas. "Botheration. That means I'll be late." "They cleared the line for you," Toby went on. "But there's something worse." "Out with it, Toby," Thomas interrupted. "I can't wait all evening." "I've just seen something," said Toby in a shaky voice. "It looked like Percy's ghost. It said it was coming here to warn us." "Pooh, who cares? Don't be frightened, Toby. I'll take care of you." Percy approached the shed quietly and glided through it. "Peep! Peep! Peep, 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 peep!" he shrieked. "Let me in! Let me in!" "No, no," answered Toby. "Not by the smoke of my chimney, chim. I'll chaff and I'll puff and I'll break your door in. Oh!" "Whoa, dear," exclaimed Thomas. "It's getting late. I'd no idea. I must find Annie and Clarabel." He hurried out the other way. Percy was none the worse for his adventure. He was soon clean. But Thomas never returned. Next morning, Toby asked him where he'd been. "Oh, well," said Thomas, "I knew you'd be sad about Percy, and I didn't like to intrude. I slept in a good shed, and oh," he went on hurriedly. "Sorry, I can't stop. Got to see a coach by the train." And he shot off like a jackrabbit. Percy rolled up alongside. "Well, well, well," he exclaimed. "What do you know about that?" "Anyone would think," chuckled Toby, "that our Thomas had just seen a ghost."